Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change server in Cookie Run Kingdom. Let's begin. Before we dive in, it's important to know that Cookie Run Kingdom has multiple servers like Pure Vanilla, Holyberry, and Dark Cacao. Your account's progress is tied to your server you started on. This means if you switch servers, you'll need to create a new account, and your progress, cookies, and purchases won't carry over. Keep that in mind before making the change. So this person asked, can I change servers and go back to my original server and keep the stuff I kept on the original server? And this other person said, the Pure Vanilla server is only for players who have started at the launch. And the Holyberry server is only for new players who started playing the game during the Heart of Courage and Passion update. So that means in order to change servers, what you need to do is you need to log out of your current account, and then you need to create a new account with a different server, and that is how you'll be able to change servers. So you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to log out of your account by selecting log out under the account tab. And then once you're logged out, you'll be redirected to the main login screen. Then you're going to tap start game, create a new account, or sign in with a different account that hasn't been linked to a server yet. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to select a server, choosing the one that you want to play on, like Pure Vanilla or Holyberry. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.